The crypto world has a roller coaster week filled with twists and turns. The SEC had made a bold statement on meme coins. The Bitcoin has taken a wild plunge and a dramatic rebound. And Trump has shaken the industry with his announcement of US crypto strategic reserve. Meanwhile, Bank of America is eyeing stablecoins. The Ethereum Foundation is undergoing leadership changes, and global politics are once again sending shockwaves through the markets. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Crypto Weekly, where we break down the biggest stories in the world of blockchain, Web3, and digital assets. I am Spandana from Caesium Lab, and I'll be your guide through this week's most important updates. So, buckle up because we have lot to uncover. News 1. SEC clarifies meme coins aren't securities. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has officially stated that meme coins do not qualify as securities. This means traders and issuers are not required to register their transactions. However, the SEC has warned that fraud risks remain. If projects falsely present itself as meme coin to bypass regulations, it could still face legal action. This statement comes as SEC appears to be adopting a more crypto friendly approach. Recently, the agency dropped lawsuits against major platforms such as Coinbase, Gemini, OpenSea, and Robinhood, although its legal battle with Ripple is still ongoing. Meanwhile, Representative Sam Liccardo has introduced a new bill aiming to ban government officials and their families from launching or promoting cryptocurrencies. This follows reports that Donald and Melania Trump were linked to meme coin projects before his inauguration. Despite the regulatory clarity on meme coins, their volatility continues to be concern. The GMCI meme index is currently at 213.33, reflecting a slight delay gain of 0.35% but a significant 47% decline year to date. News 2. Bitcoin's worst monthly drop since 2022. Recovery follows Trump's move. Bitcoin saw one of its most volatile months in recent history, suffering a 17.5% decline in February, marking its worst monthly drop since June 2022. It initially plunged to a 3-month low of $78,273 before attempting a recovery to $84,252. However, following Donald Trump's announcement of a US crypto strategic reserve, Bitcoin experienced a sharp rally, surging to $94,000. The excitement was short lived as Bitcoin once again tumbled, this time falling close to $82,000, shaking market confidence. The decline was fueled by a mix of market instability, fears of global trade war, and a massive $1.5 billion hack on Bybit exchange. While Trump's crypto-friendly stance initially revived investor optimism, the rapid price swings suggest that uncertainty still dominates the market. Analysts remain divided on Bitcoin's next move. Some believe further corrections are imminent, while others see this as temporary dip before another breakout. For now, Bitcoin remains in highly volatile phase, with traders closely watching for signals of stability or another major price shift. News 3. Trump announces US crypto strategic reserve. In a landmark decision, President Donald Trump has introduced the US Crypto Strategic Reserve, a major shift in government policy towards cryptocurrencies. The reserve will hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano, as part of country's financial infrastructure. Following the announcement, the market responded with a strong surge. Bitcoin rose 9% to $93,000. Ethereum climbed 11% to $2,500. XRP soared 30% to $2.80. And Cardano experienced an impressive 60% jump, surpassing $1. This move is expected to encourage mass adoption and institutional investment. Though it also raises regulatory concerns. One thing is certain, crypto is now firmly integrated into national economic policy. News 4. Bank of America plans stablecoin, waiting regulatory approval. Bank of America CEO Brian Moynihan has confirmed that the bank is ready to launch its own stablecoin but is waiting for regulatory approval. Speaking at the Economic Club of Washington DC, he stated that if stablecoins are made legal, Bank of America will enter the market. The stablecoin sector has grown into $232 billion industry, led by Tether's USDT and Circle's USDC. While JP Morgan's has already introduced its own JPM coin, Bank of America has held back, preferring to wait for clear legal guidelines. If stablecoin regulations pass, traditional banks like Bank of America could directly compete with existing crypto firms, further legitimizing stablecoins within mainstream finance. News 5. Ethereum Foundation's Miyaguchi steps down. Miyaguchi, executive director of the Ethereum Foundation since 2018, has announced her resignation. She will transition into a new role as president of organization, where she will focus on institutional relationships and expanding Ethereum's vision and culture. Her departure comes at a time when Ethereum's popularity among new developers has seen a decline. Some critics have blamed her leadership for Ethereum's price lagging behind other major cryptocurrencies. However, Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik Buterin praised her contributions, crediting her with successfully executing major network upgrades, fostering developer collaboration, and maintaining Ethereum's mission. The Ethereum Foundation has not yet announced who will take over the executive director role, leaving speculations about the next phase of Ethereum's leadership. News 6. EU stands with Zelenskyy as Trump tensions rise. Crypto gamblers bet against him. Geopolitical tensions are impacting crypto markets as traders speculate on the future of Ukrainian President Zelenskyy. On the prediction platform Polymarket, over $627,000 has been staked on whether he will step down before July, with the current probability estimated at 19%. This follows a failed meeting between Zelenskyy and US President Donald Trump, where discussions on the ending Russia's invasion of Ukraine ended without a resolution. Trump criticized Zelenskyy for not showing enough gratitude for US aid, while Vice President JD Vance questioned Ukrainian military effectiveness. Reports indicate that Trump suggested Ukraine should cede mineral assets to the US in exchange for the further support. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen and Foreign Minister George Gorgiev have publicly expressed their support for Zelenskyy and the Ukrainian people. The EU is set to meet on March 6 to discuss a peace plan and further actions regarding Russia's ongoing aggression. That's a wrap up this week's Crypto Weekly. What are your thoughts on Trump's crypto strategic reserve? Do you think Bank of America's stablecoin will disrupt the industry? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest crypto updates. Until next time, keep holding.